Good morning. I am actually inviting one of my mates today to the gym session, so you will see him in a short while. There you go, that's him coming out. Hi everyone, I'm Steven and this is
Vinod.
Vinod. Vinod, what do you do, Vinod?
Software engineer.
Software engineer. Yeah guys, Vinod is one of the latest mates that I know. Yeah, so he's coming with me today to try one of the classes. He's a very camera shy, just like all the other gym mates, but that's all good. As part of the 50 Gym Mates in 50 Week series, all we really want to talk about is people views on the fitness journey. And there are some people that is new, there's some people that's been doing it for years and years. But you know, at the end of the day, it's all about the fitness journey, and we're trying to keep it fun for everyone. Pushing the road now. All right, so Vinod, why do you think fitness is important for men?
Good question. It's important to keep healthy.
Yeah,
That helps to think straight and just vent out all the pressure.
yeah,
It's my personal opinion.
yeah,
At least you have this, the job that pays you for the bills.
yes,
But end of the day, you need to spend some time for your own body, for yourself.
yes. Vinod, I agree to that very much. You know, like a lot of time, we put our body through all the stress,
Yeah.
with all the work and family life and so forth, and we've got to also take care of ourselves as well, isn't it?
Exactly.
I mean, exercise reduces cortisol, it releases endorphin, which basically helps you to feel happy, and that's why every time you finish working, you feel like you just,
Yeah, achieve
have
something.
achieve something. Yeah, so that's very, very important.
Yeah.
So that's a very good point, Vinod.
you.
Well, so Vinod, for those friends and family members that doesn't want to or still trying coming to gym, do you have anything that you want to say to them? This is the opportunity.
All I would say is just trial it for some time.
Yeah,
See the changes you can feel,
yeah,
and make an informed decision yourself.
yes,
And that drive needs to come from you.
yes,
If someone else just pushes you, it's likely you will
away.
quit it
yeah,
too soon.
yeah,
You need to. That drive needs to come from you.
yeah,
You need to try it out and see the changes that's gonna bring in your body,
yes.
and take it from there.
For someone who is first time coming to coming to the gym and saying he's shy on camera, that is a bloody good message. Thank you so much for your time and enjoy the session today. Yeah,
Thank you, too.
no worries.
A few moments later.
All right, we now just finished the body combat class. How do you go?
Yeah, it was good. It was intense, harder than what I thought.
I don't know what I thought of it.
It was my first time, so
But
I
yeah,
enjoyed it.
Vinod has been very good for the very first time. He finished the whole class. Quite a few
First
months.
time in my life I'm doing anything like this.
That's very good, very good,
Yeah.
good experience, isn't it?
Thanks for bringing me and inviting me.
No problem, no problem. Now, as you can probably tell with the group classes, there's a few things I like about it. One, first of all, is I don't have to think about what I do.
Yep.
And then the class pushes you.
Yep.
Yeah. And
You
Vinod
get
also-
motivation from the crowd.
Absolutely, that is absolutely beautiful. That's pretty much 45 minutes. Some of the first timer didn't manage to finish. Vinod finished it.
I skipped in between. I cheated.
No, it's okay. You have easy options as well, so you're more than welcome to take them. That is pretty much how you keep your pace in the class. So the most important thing is keep it going and finish the class, which you did. And I can see that you're taking some of the I won't say the easy option, but you just take the option that allowed you to rest a little bit,
Yeah.
in between, so you can catch your breath. Because I'd rather you finish the class than halfway through, stop it. So so now at least you get through the motion through your body, get your body used to the 40 minutes workout. Then next time next time if you get trapped in a while, you can still walk your way to the end of the run. So that is what I always remember. Vinod, thank you so much for being part of this.
Thanks for having me, too.
Cheers, man. Thank you.